If you want to turn an image into a video using PhotoDirector, then follow these simple steps. Open the app, click on Image to Video, then choose either 2 solo photos or one with 2 people. I will choose this one. One photo, continue. I will choose this photo, and I would like these 2 people to kiss each other. You can customize the settings as well, but I will go with the original and generate. After this, the app will ask you whether you would like to pay for it or use this 15 things here, and I will use these. And then we will have to wait a few seconds until it's working on our video. It will be 5 seconds long, and I hope they will be kissing because we would like to achieve it. Here we go. Let's click on view. And yeah, here is our tender kiss. Love is in the air. I'm satisfied with the results. So thank you for your kind attention.